CBSE Class 10th Maths Syllabus 2025-26. Real numbers, deleted chapters, excellent division lemma, decimal representation of rational numbers in terms of terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals. Polynomials, deleted chapters, statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficients. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Deleted chapters, simple problems on equations reducible to linear equations. In quadratic equations, no deletion. Arithmetic progressions, no deletion. In coordinate geometry, deleted chapters, area of a triangle. In triangles, deleted chapters, proof of a theorems. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, the triangles on each side of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and each other. Second, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. In a right triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. In a triangle, if the square on one side is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides, the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. In circles, no deletion. In constructions, whole chapter deleted. Introduction to trigonometry, no deletion. Trigonometric identities, deleted chapters, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Heights and distances, no deletion. Areas related to circles, no deletion. Surface areas and volumes, deleted chapters. Frustum of a cone, problems involving converting one type of metallic solid into another and other mixed problems. Problems with a combination of not more than two different solids. In statistics, deleted chapters, step deviation method for finding the mean, cumulative frequency graph. Probability, no deletion. These are all deleted chapters. CBSE Class 10 Maths course structure. Number systems 6 marks, algebra 20 marks, coordinate geometry 6 marks, geometry 15 marks, trigonometry 12 marks, mensuration 10 marks, statistics and probability 11 marks, total 80 marks. Internal assessment 20 marks. The internal assessment typically comprises periodic tests 10 marks, portfolio 5 marks, lab practical work 5 marks. Total 80 plus 20, 100 marks. Key topics likely to be covered. The syllabus generally includes the following units: number systems, in algebra, polynomials, pair of linear equations in two variables, quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions. Coordinate geometry, in geometry, triangles, circles, constructions. In trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry, applications of trigonometry. In mensuration, areas related to circles, surface areas and volumes. And statistics and probability. CBSE Class 10 Mathematics Expected question paper design 2025-26. The mathematics paper is typically divided into 5 sections, encompassing various questions types to assess a range of skills. Section A, multiple choice questions, 1 to 18 question numbers, marks per question, 1 mark per question, total questions 18, total marks 18, internal choice no. Assertion, reason based questions, 19 to 20 question numbers, 1 mark per question, total questions 2, total marks 2, internal choice no. In section B, very short answer questions, 21 to 25 question numbers, 2 marks per question, total questions 5, total marks 10, 2 questions internal choice. Section C, short answer questions, 26 to 31 question numbers, 3 marks per question, total 6 questions, total marks 18, internal choice 2 questions. And section D, long answer questions, 32 to 35 question numbers, 5 marks per question, total 4 questions, total marks 20, internal choice 2 questions. Section E, case study based questions, 36 to 38 question numbers, 4 marks per question, total 3 questions, total marks 12, internal choice provided. Total 38 questions, total 80 marks. Note, the structure is based on the 2024-25 sample paper and may be subject to change in the 2025-26 academic session.